Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I will be speaking about the inspiration and details of my app that I named LibRAGentic. Even I was surprised by the creativity of the name. So to any invitee that may be new to the AI world, or to any of my fellow cohort members who may not have been paying attention, these are the three components of the app: libraries, RAG, and agents. I'll begin by speaking of the library aspect. So imagine you are at the bookstore browsing through books. Or actually, hold on. Let me make the scenario more relatable. Imagine you are on your internet browser scrolling through Amazon. You think you found the perfect book based on its description alone. Fast forward to delivery day, you quickly open the front door as soon as the Amazon driver's out of sight and begin to savagely rip open the package. After several tries of taking the perfect picture, you proceed to post to your Instagram that you have a date night with the book. Except the date goes horribly wrong. You quickly find that the main character is annoying, the pacing is slow and or confusing, the plot is cliched, the writing is sloppy. I could keep going on, but I'll stop for the sake of time. Had you read the book's user reviews, you may have been informed of the criticisms, but then you are also compelled to read the book's praises. By the time you are done doing your research, you are mentally fatigued and resolved to just watch Netflix instead. This is a real life story, by the way. It happened to me a while ago. Not recently, though, since this bootcamp has been taking up most of my free time. Enter LibRAGentic, a helpful librarian AI agent that analyzes novel reviews written by the public. With a simple user question, the AI returns detailed summaries and key takeaways of the praises and or criticisms of a book based on user reviews from Reddit and or Goodreads.com. While it is intended as a decision-making tool, you can use this AI to gather insights on books you haven't read so that your social network thinks you're some literary genius. So now I'll speak a little on the technical details, RAG and agents. The agent itself uses GPT-4o Mini LLM from OpenAI, and almost always the agent requires more information, more context to answer specific questions about books. So this is where retrieval augmented generation comes into play, RAG for short. The agent is smart enough to extract details such as the website and book name from your question, and based on those details, invokes the appropriate tool. By default, the Reddit search tool gets the text from the 5 most relevant posts across all subreddits from all time, and the Goodreads search fetches the text from the 30 highest rated reviews, whether they are positive or negative. The review text generated from either tools is then used as context for the LLM to formulate the answer to your question. So now let me open the demo. Okay, going to the README file, I've included some examples of how you can prompt the AI to return review summaries. So let me test out a few prompts, one from Reddit, one from Goodreads. I'll try a review for 50 Shades of Grey, which is a notoriously criticized book, but hey, the AI doesn't judge people for their questionable tastes. I mean, unless of course you tell it to. Okay, so now let me try another for 1984 from Reddit, which is generally favorable, especially among the Reddit nerds. Usually doesn't take this long. Then you can see that both responses are pretty detailed and sufficiently answers the user's questions. Going back to the slides. So this app is a passion project for me. I love books, but I've also been burned by a lot of authors whom I could have avoided with using this app. I have every intention to keep building and polishing it into something bigger. And who knows, maybe in the future, I'll approach some of these businesses with my ideas. And that is it for the demo and for my presentation. Thank you for your time.